Et bonjour à tous, on se retrouve pour la suite de l'aventure. On va commencer tout de suite avec la mission de Dutch
What now? You sweating yet,
sur
Dutch?
les chasseurs de primes.
I'm sweating. We're in some disease-ridden, swampy, Dixie-whistling shithole.
I meant about what Trelawney said about these bounty
Well,
hunters.
not sweating as such, but maybe a little gentle perspiration. Until we know more, ain't too much harm in wasting good liquor on sweating.
So?
So, I think you should pay Mr. Trelawney a visit and find out exactly what he knows and who he spoke to. Take Charles with you. Oh, the sight of the pair of you would make a statue sing out its secrets.
Okay.
Ok. Charles.
Charles, I need you for some business in town. Come on.
Okay.
Voilà, range ce que tu étais en train de faire.
Good work on that bank job.
Loved every minute.
Bon, il va me suivre, je suppose, donc on va y aller tranquillement.
So, where are we going? Hey, slow down.
Just ride with me. Come on. Anyway, you were saying?
Dutch wants us to have a talk with Trelawney about these bounty hunters who are coming for us. Hoping he can tell us who they are or where they're coming from.
Okay. And you're deputies now.
Something like that. Soon as we laid eyes on that fool of a sheriff who runs that town, I knew Dutch was gonna play him like a fiddle.
On the run from one bunch of lawmen, working for another. Interesting.
Hiding in plain sight, Dutch calls it.
So, spirits seem good. In the new camp, I mean.
We got some space between us and that mess now. Ain't seen no more Pinkertons for a while. There's these bounty hunters, of course, but Dutch don't seem too worried about it.
Can't believe they're still coming after us. We didn't even get away with the money.
Yeah, but they don't know that.
Of course. Trelawney. I've only met him a couple times, but he's a strange one.
Fear not. He's just a cockroach in fancy breeches. But he gets into nooks and crannies the rest of us can't. Whoa.
Ah oui, c'est celui qu'on avait sauvé, qu'on avait libéré.
Fire outside.
Let's take a look.
Someone got here first. So it seems.
By the looks of things, it wasn't a social call.
Check the house. This food's barely touched. Looks like he left in a hurry.
Found anything?
Compagnie minière de Tacitus Kilgore. Le présent officier fake possède par dans la compagnie susnommée conformément aux dispositions du mémorandum et des statuts libérés que Attends, Charles, 2 secondes. Et que la somme d'1 $ a été payée pour l'achat de chaque dédite part. Ok.
You see anything there?
La pommade. Le lit.
So he must have been here.
Là, il y a du sang. Je vais juste regarder s'il y a un petit autre truc. Là, il y a un...
Big struggle. Pretty recently, I'd say. I guess maybe 12.
But no body? There's some blood here. That ain't good.
Ah, il y a des traces de sang qui sortent de la maison. Eh ben, on va les suivre.
Yep.
Ça va probablement nous mener à lui ou...
How's your tracking these?
All right, I guess.
Well,
Tu m'as appris, Charles, ne t'inquiète pas.
lead the way then.
Not the kind of place I'd expect to see Trelawney staying in.
No?
Normally scan himself into the best hotel in town.
You know, when me and Javier went down with Trelawney to get Sean after the bar fight, I swear he talked the whole way and never actually said a damn thing.
I thought you knew. That's his special talent. They could be 20 miles away by now.
We can track them that far if we need to. Depends on how much you want to find them.
Yeah. I still ain't sure about that.
Hey, look. They continue on the other side of the tracks.
Hey, look.
J'ai failli passer à côté.
Let's go see what those fellas have to say.
Arthur, where are you going?
Excuse me.
Yeah,
Have you seen we're looking for our friend.
I don't think he's here.
You seen a strange sort of feller? Sort of formal?
Strange? Sure. Formal? Nah.
He uses a cane. Looks a lot like this one.
All right, you two. Where the hell is he?
We both better get out of here.
Come here!
You stay there.
Where is Trelawney?
I don't know anything.
Tell me where he is.
You go to hell.
You better tell me now, you son of a bitch.
Okay, for Christ's sake.
Il nous tout?
To a cabin over by the cornfields.
Which cornfields?
Left. Down the path there by Braithwaite Manor. All right. That should do it.
Ah oui, il y a peut-être une montée d'argent que vous avez vue. C'est parce que j'ai fait de l'exploration. J'ai vendu beaucoup de choses que j'avais
Follow me.
sur moi, donc
So we don't have to go through the Braithwaite's place.
c'est normal.
Yes. I've spent enough time there. After you, then. Yeah,
You okay?
I'm good.
What do you think they want with Trelawney?
Could be any one of 100 things. Just depends if any of them involve us.
You think he'll talk?
Of course he'll talk. He'd sell his own sister to save a train fare. He don't know how not to talk. He don't... know where we're holed up, though. At least I don't think he does.
I don't know why Dutch still deals with him. Always disappearing for weeks on end.
He's got his uses, and, well, loyalty matters to Dutch.
Of course. But is Trelawney loyal?
Yeah, kind of. I guess Trelawney ain't exactly disloyal. Just got a big mouth. Don't worry. If he talked, I'll goddamn find out what he said. Nothing's ever straightforward where Trelawney's involved. Learned that much.
I mean, how much time have we wasted getting this fool out of trouble?
He somehow manages to be both lucky and unlucky at the same time.
That's one way of looking at it.
But he always finds some way to pay us back. Just when we think about cutting him loose, he brings us something big. I guess that's his special talent, keeping fish on the line.
Il a un vrai talent en tout cas pour savoir qu'est-ce qu'il faut pas faire pour sortir de sa merde. Ok, du coup là on est chez les Brace, chez l'autre famille. Ou alors villa là-bas là. Et la cabane, je suppose que c'est celle-là.
That must be it.
C'est à gauche, ouais, c'est passé de là-bas. Hein. Ah, oui.
Come on, boy.
The thing is, after that shack, this will be remembered like a good time.
Put the man down, gentlemen. Is that the lot of them?
I think so.
So you're alive.
Allegedly.
Well, don't worry, they won't be for much
Look,
longer.
go get them, Arthur. I can handle this.
Who knows what he told them? Let's get after those sons of bitches.
Ah, ils sont disparus.
We need to flush them out. Look at the birds. Go that way.
Ah, rien là, rien là, rien là. T'inquiète pas, je prends 3 sous à toi. C'est où là-bas?
We need to find these bastards.
Where the hell are
C'est où? Putain, je l'avais pas vu.
you? Got one more, Charles.
Did you see those birds?
Non. Je suppose qu'il est là-dedans. J'ai pas du tout vu où. Ah ouais, apparemment c'est là-dedans.
I see something on the ground over here.
He's dumped his gear. Look around. He can't have gone far.
Je vois arrière. Ça cache bien ces maïs.
He's mine! Let me take him. You get out of here.
You have my friend.
He's not your friend. I'll give you money.
Be quiet. Come on.
Beau couteau. Très beau couteau.
Should have taken the money.
I know. I'm a fool.
Ah, je vais prendre son argent du coup. Hein.
Shit. Thank you.
Of course. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Je savais que c'était un bon...
The gunshots are coming from that barn. Come on. Got a hit. I'm gonna collect them all.
Up inside. Get after him.
J'arrive. Ouf! Belle balle. Oh, il est triste.
Good. He should be the last of them.
Let's go back for Trelawney. You all right?
Yeah. Never goes easy, does it?
Sure. Oh, come on. Let's go see how badly they beat up the slippery feller.
I wonder how much trouble he's brought with him.
Guess we'll soon find out.
Bon, l'arc, je le perds pas, donc...
Like we can't catch a break now, Arthur.
Our luck's held this long. We got out of worse scrapes than this one.
So I heard.
Sure. What's government agents and bounty hunters to us?
I hope you're right.
C'est un petit sniper. Hein. Ah, mais non, y a rien. Allez, on va voir... On peut pas donner un coup? Non, ok. J'aurais tenté. T'as de la chance qu'ils aient pas agressé avant. Hein. Et les Braceways... Qui est autant de coups de feu. On a tué quoi? 3, 5? On a tué 5 personnes. Sans qu'il y ait une réaction de leur part. Super la défense.
You okay?
Never finer.
So, who was they?
They were bounty hunter. Attached to Cole Stoudemire.
Okay.
They weren't looking for me, per se.
What you tell them?
Not much. I told them I was an intellectual. Come down here from Oregon, looking for a job at the university. Of course, they didn't believe me. Seems you stirred up quite a hornet's nest in Blackwater.
So I keep hearing.
It might be best if I stay with you, gentlemen, for a while. Can't go back to that caravan now.
All right, Charles. You take Trelawney back to camp. I'll catch up with you.
Okay.
There always seems to be more and more civilization. I want to get back in the open country of the West, or what's left of it, but well, even that ain't the way I remember it.
Ok. Nice. On va se payer l'amende pendant qu'on est ici. On va se la payer.
Hold your horses, won't be long. Well, quite the price tag.
120, bon. Allez.
Can I help you?
Merci, tu m'as déjà aidé. Et oh, il y a un point d'interrogation. Tiens, on va aller le faire. On va aller se faire ça tout de suite.
You okay, boy?
On va aller se faire ça tout de suite.
You okay there, mister?
You need me to move?
Move.
Am I sitting in the wrong place?
Excuse me?
No, I didn't mean any offense, sir. Please.
I don't get your meaning.
I'm very sorry, sir. You have yourself a fine day, and I apologize for any offense I may have inadvertently caused.
What are you drinking, mister?
Nothing, sir. Nothing at all.
Why are you acting so strange?
I don't mean to. I'm sorry for any offense.
How could you have offended me?
I have no idea. But I had no idea how I offended the last fellas. And they stole my wagon on account of my impudence.
Stole your wagon for back check?
They didn't like my medical practice, I suppose. I was helping folk.
And that wasn't popular?
I was undercutting the competition. Or I was too colored. Or I was irritating in nature. Or I was Some know-it-all, big city slicker here to demean some good old boys of my fine words. The exact variety of my sins was the source of some conjecture, so they undercut me.
That ain't very nice.
That was my impression. Still, compared to the gutting, castration, defenestration, and crucifixion they offered me, I felt I got off lightly.
Imaginative bunch.
Yes,
But
no great love of my medical practice. Too free with my wisdom and services.
which way they go?
Down the road, that away.
Stay here.
I'm sort of forced to. Please don't go to any trouble on my account.
Mm-hmm.
Are you looking for that fella's wagon? I heard him say they was taking it to Macomb's Inn.
Macomb End?
Thanks.
Merci.
What?
Alors, Macomb End. Où est-ce que c'est? Ah, le coin des crocros. Des alligators. Hein. Un coin dangereux, si tu veux, mon ami. Un coin dangereux. Et on va aller chercher le chariot de ce pauvre homme. Car c'était juste de bons vieux... Ah, c'est un rustler ici, ok. Bons vieux voleurs, hein, qui ont profité de l'innocence de ce pauvre personne. J'ai pas eu ton alligator, j'aurais essayé de traverser par l'eau, mais... disons que j'ai pas envie de tenter. Le cheval va me désarçonner, m'éjecter à la flotte, et je vais me faire miam miam. J'ai pas envie de me faire miam miam. Ok, j'allais traverser, heureusement que j'ai pas traversé. Ah, mais pourquoi tu descends de ton cheval? Non, 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 remonte, remonte, remonte. On n'a pas fini le chemin. On va le finir là, mais on n'a pas fini encore. Alors... dites-nous tout, Balotru.
Doctor friend of mine lost his wagon. You all ain't seen it, have you? Ain't he? Put a hole in...
Je suis pas très amiable non plus. Je suis pas très amiable.
I'll go.
Et cette pauvreté que tu viens de m'offrir, mon cher. Il doit être derrière la maison ou là-bas, là. Vas-y, c'est quoi, c'est un peu le... Vas-y, je vais prendre le chapeau. Allez. Ah, il est là, voilà. Derrière la baraque. Comme prévu. Docteur... Oh là, la boue. Rhino. Dysenterie, fever, typhus. Medicine Company. Fièvre, typhus. Fever et cold, c'est pas deux fièvres, c'est ouais, cold pour eux, c'est fièvre. Choléra. C'est bien que tu montes. Allez.
Okay, come on. Get you back to the doctor.
Et on prend le cheval avec nous, bien entendu. Sympa. Super sympa, j'aime beaucoup ce chariot. J'ai bien entendu couper. Alors couper, c'est tout un art de couper, il semblerait. Et je n'ai pas cet art. Hein. À gauche. Non, ok, il recule plus. Ok. Oh le... Ok, bah, c'était plus rapide de suivre la route. Je n'ai pas l'art de conduire. C'est vrai que le chemin passe en tant que... avec un cheval, mais... c'est vrai que... pour le faire le chemin avec un chariot, c'est autre chose. Ah, je chavire pas, ça serait bête. Ouf. Et j'ai failli lui rentrer dedans, lui. Oh, j'ai démoli ces... Tu peux ne pas traverser la route comme ça, un peu. Regardez à gauche et à droite, hein. Les passages piétons, n'oublie pas, hein.
Look who it is. I did not count on seeing that wagon again. Nor you, for that matter.
Only people you won't be seeing are the folks that took it.
I take it they aren't the only ignorant bullying clodhoppers in these parts. But I can live in glorious hope. It wasn't a trouble now, was it?
No, it was a pleasure.
Yeah. Let me give you something for your pleasure. What we got here. How about this? Provide a man a tincture, he'll be well for a day. Teach him to make one, he might be well a while longer.
I'll make sure to try and make this. Thank you.
Thank you. It won't work for anything chronic, but you may not need it to. Well, if you see me on my travels and you're in need of something, make sure you come and say hello.
Travel safe now.
Il devrait pouvoir aller à Saint-Denis. Ah, quoique, il y a peut-être beaucoup de... des gens pas très... de distinction sociale. Il n'y a pas une mission... mince. Non. C'est quoi? Ici. Josia. Ah bah... Lui qui veut me parler. On va se faire une mission avec John, je pense. Oh, l'âne. Allez, allez, on court, on court, on court. Ah, c'est un chariot. Voilà. Oh, je cours plus vite que toi, Anne.
Can I help you there?
Sure. They're supposed to be my business partners here. They arranged a meeting, I believe, about some horses.
A fellow with a scar and a Mexican.
Yes, sir.
Out by the stables.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day now.
Ils m'ont pas reconnu après la dernière fois? Il y en a du monde, hein, la vache. Il y a sacrément du monde. Hein.
Like you. You don't know me. You turn up in this town, and you're helping everybody. And everywhere, there's troubles.
And have you met my partner, Arthur Morgan?
No?
I met your son, the sheriff.
Okay.
Mr. Gray here was saying how he had problems with a family of degenerates.
Oh, well, nobody likes degenerates.
That hag and her inbred sons. They ruined this county. They killed my uncle, you know.
That ain't right.
Problem is, we can't be seen to get too close.
And?
We've got gold, Yankee. We've got gold.
I ain't no Yankee, friend. I ain't nothing. My daddy came over on the boat from Scotland.
I'm Scottish.
And the Braithwaites?
Goddamn peasants. I don't know. Mongrels. Slave fuckers. All you gotta do is look at them.
How much gold?
Enough. These are prized horses I'm talking about. Them, they'll get you 5,000.
5,000 for horses.
Easy.
Where do we sell them, these $5,000 horses?
Over in Clemens Cove. Fellow over there will run them out of state and give you 50 cents on the dollar.
Mister, you got yourself a deal.
Just keep us away from this. Publicly, I mean.
My sense is we keep all horse wrestling away from the public.
Go to the stables on the south side of the manor. That's where they keep the thoroughbred.
Ah, les pur sang. Entre l'autre qui fait de la contrebande de l'alcool et l'autre de la contrebande, je peux pas appeler ça de la contrebande. Du trafic de chevaux de pur sang. Les deux familles, c'est les mêmes. Hein. Juste qu'il y en a une qui a pris le dessus par rapport à l'autre.
You should see the Braithwaite woman.
Hosea and Sean were planning on going over to the Braithwaites. Haven't seen them?
No, not yet. If they're there already, they better keep their heads down. We don't need this to be any more complicated than it already is.
$5,000 for horses. We've been robbing the wrong folk all these years.
Yeah, he doesn't know what he's talking about. But if we get even a third of that, it'll be worth it.
Ese de país. ¡Allá!
Is
how we gonna play this? Place is well guarded, so there ain't no point in blasting in there. We'll make them think we're there looking to purchase.
3 armed men?
You'd be armed if you were about to spend 5,000 on horses. We should go in the back way, though. Avoid too many questions.
La chose que j'ai pas compris, c'est qu'on là, on va chez les Braithwaite pour acheter ça. Je crois qu'on était, qu'on achetait.
Careful. There's a guard.
Ok.
Speak to him, okay? All right, then.
Can I help you, gentlemen?
Yeah, we're here to see about some horses.
Horses?
Yeah, we had an appointment with Mr. Braithwaite, I believe.
Yeah, I never heard about any of this.
Our partner wanted to make a significant investment in some stables down here. But perhaps we should look elsewhere.
Well, okay then. Let's head on up to the stables. Someone will come see you.
Est-ce qu'il ferme? Oh, il ferme derrière. C'est vraiment bien fait. Ça a bien été codé. J'ai hâte de voir en février, je crois que c'était début février. Il y a Kingdom Come 2 qui sort. J'y jouerai absolument, j'y jouerai. Je pense que ça va être un banger aussi. J'ai adoré le 1. Il était vraiment très très bon.
Up here. Catch your breath, boy. Let me do the talking. Hello there.
Can I help you, boys?
I hope so. Heard you got some horses.
We always got horses.
Fine horses, I mean.
I don't get you, friend.
Yeah, you do. Come on.
Listen, why don't you get out of here? You, Scarface, and your greaser buddy.
Whoa!
I don't like officials.
We ain't officials. We're connoisseurs, looking to do some breedings. Come on now, partner.
Okay, fine. Follow me. These here's mainly the studs available for purchase or for working. If that's what you're interested in. What is your boys interested in?
We represent a famous stable and stud farm from Saratoga.
Is that so?
Unofficially.
Of course. Well, this here's Cerberus. Here you go, boy. Cerberus is a real reliable stud. Fathered many a race winner. This one's Old Faithful.
Greaser, huh?
Okay, bandana's on. Don't need nobody recognizing us. All right, I'll grab the white one in the middle. You get the other two. Relax, boy.
Relax, tout va bien.
Easy. Easy now. Take it easy there. Marston, you're gonna tether him up to Javier's horse. Okay. Javier, easy there. Javier, you're gonna lead the stallions.
Faut le... Bon, t'es tranquille? Allez, viens là. Viens là, petit étalon.
Marston, you ride point. I'll cover up the back. If there's any problems, we regroup at Clemens Cove.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Let's go, quick! Get going, you two.
What the hell are you doing? Stop! Stop! We're being robbed! I said stop these men!
Ouh, belle balle. Et voilà. On recharge. Doucement, doucement les amis, doucement. Non, ils ont pas bloqué. Allez, tout va bien. Paf. Paf. Non, y a plus rien. Et puis c'est pas bloqué, allez-y. Est-ce qu'on peut bouffer un petit truc du genre... juste pour régène. C'était dur, mais bon... Ah, c'est dur de te viser quand t'es à cheval, en bougeant. Hop, on l'étudie. Tout en cheval, il restera attaché à la corde même si vous relâchez. Ok, parce que la dernière fois... Ok. Allez, on y va. Ok, alors par contre, le contrôle quand il a la corde, je peux pas trop regarder la caméra. On va suivre la route. Ah bah, c'est juste ici, donc ça tombe bien.
Clemens Cove's just over there. Come on. Let's get this over with.
Well, that could have gone smoother.
That'll be on my gravestone. Hey, hey! You think they look like they're paying $5,000 for horses?
I guess we'll see.
Got you.
Ok, il s'en va pas.
What you boys want?
Heard you pay good prices for horses.
Oh, we'll buy more or less anything, Pop.
That so?
Sure, Pop. I'm Clay Davies. That's my brother Clive. We're twins.
John, Arthur, Javier.
So what are you? Cuban?
No.
I don't like Cubans.
That's so?
Maybe. Why, what do you care? You ain't Cuban.
Maybe I like Cubans.
Ooh, you're funny. He's funny. Ain't he funny, Clive? Clive don't talk. We're twins, but I was born first. He came out all yellow and black, but he's okay.
Sure.
Yeah, I know these horses. They ain't yours, but I like you, and I can give you $650 for them.
I was told we could get up to $5,000 for them.
And I was told the moon was made of ladies' tears. Only it ain't true. Not one little bit.
But
I like you boys, but I ain't got more than $700 on me. You want it, or you want to ride them fellers into town, and maybe someone there'll hang you?
We're gonna need more than that.
I got no more money, Pop. Here, take it or leave it. Uh-huh.
All right.
You goddamn fool, Marston.
Ain't no one round here got $5,000, boys, but nice meeting you. See you boys again, I hope. Come on, yeah. Close the gate, Clive.
Pourquoi il a accepté? Pour un vieux 700? On n'a rien avec 700.
Yarn spun us by one of that Gray family. Imagined we was gonna be wonderfully rich. At the end of it, we felt like prize idiots.
On va se raser un petit coup là. Oh, quoique. Il lui fait un petit style, ça on le voit pas souvent comme ça. C'est pas mon style préféré, mais bon.
So, Arthur, is it true about the bad luck?
What bad luck?
I just broke my pocket mirror, and I remember me old ma saying that a broken mirror means 7 years bad luck.
7 years? We won't see 7 years out. Don't be ridiculous. But if I find a mirror on my adventures, I'll bring it back for you.
Thank you, Arthur.
Miroir. C'est compliqué de trouver un miroir. Allez. Je pense qu'on va se faire sa mission à lui, on s'arrêtera juste après.
Well, I know you think I'm just some effete buffoon.
What?
A man of words and not of action. Hardly a man at all.
Well, I think you're as slippery as an eel in an oil slick, but still a man.
Because I think I found something interesting.
Yeah?
Have you ever robbed a stagecoach?
No, never. Well, who would have even thought? Of course I robbed a goddamn stagecoach. You know I have.
And what's the problem with stagecoaches?
The armed man attempting to put a bullet in your head?
Not quite. The odds. I mean, is it worth the robbing?
Sometimes.
I know. But, well, if you'd like to come with me, I can introduce you to a new best friend, and he's going to give you all the decent, robbable stagecoaches a hot-blooded degenerate could require.
Well, I could require a whole lot.
Ah, ça m'intéresse en vrai. Hein. Il nous présente à quelqu'un qui nous offre, qui nous fait des offres. En vrai, c'est bien.
Because what can possibly go wrong there?
Well, lead the way and we'll find out.
You sure seem to have got about around here.
You know me. I like to make friends in low places.
How the hell you end up down here anyway?
I could ask the same of you. I have a few commitments over this way. Some expenses to meet.
Expenses? What expenses? Gentlemen's canes and rabbits to pull out of hats?
Among other things, I had quite a nice little business going for a while. Shares in a gold mining company. Excellent returns for the investor of a certain financial standing.
Pas faux.
Until, well, that unfortunate run-in with the law.
Il part dans une mine à ce moment-là, c'était bien. Hein.
Thanks for disappearing on us during that Sean business, by the way.
I've done my part. Each to their strengths, dear boy. You know,
Je suis aussi d'accord. Hein. Il est pas là pour se battre.
watch yourselves with those two families. This is a small town. People talk. I tried to mention it to Hosea, but you know how he is. Anyway, while they're off chasing their pot of Confederate gold hidden at the end of some rainbow, let me present you with something real.
Alors moi, je suis bien d'accord avec toi. Hein.
Where exactly are we going?
Je suis d'accord avec toi que...
We can hitch up outside. I'll make the introductions, Arthur.
Je trouve que la meilleure chose, c'est de laisser les deux familles s'entretuer. Au pire, tu rajoutes un peu de poudre... un peu de feu aux poudres, mais sinon, on se fait le reste, quoi, tranquillement. Ça aurait été bien mieux, hein. Là, en fait, on va se tirer les foudres des deux, on va devoir refuir. Ça va être n'importe quoi.
We don't want to scare him off.
I heard somebody gave that gang at Shady Bell one hell of a hide. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Hello, Alden.
Hello, Josiah. How have you been?
Dandy. And you, friend?
Like I said, times are tough. My missus is a bad woman. Terrible woman.
They often are. But how's work, Alden?
Terrible. Wages got cut again. They reckon they just invented a new horseless carriage will be the end of us.
They've been saying that nonsense since they invented the wheel. The wickedness of bosses.
I know. My comrades here and I are greatly discouraged from the adequate fulfillment of our duty.
A discouraged man is no man at all, Alden. No man at all. My friend Arthur here has a present for you.
Ain't you kind, sir?
Call him Arthur. He's one of us, a fellow man of distinction.
Okay. Well, this is perfect timing. I think you'll like this one, Josiah. It'll be coming south down the river road through Siltwater Strand.
Thank you, Alden. Thank you very much.
Oh, and Josiah, if you or Arthur are ever out Strawberry Way, ask for my colleague there. Feller called Hector. He's also one of the... What did you call us again?
Discouraged men, Alden.
That's it. Discouraged men. I like that.
Well, goodbye, Alden, or should I say adieu?
Oh, adieu, Josiah.
Ok, donc il y a même... Info sur diligence. Ce genre vers le sud sur la route. Se dirigeant vers le sud sur la route de la rivière par Stillwater Stand. Alors, attends, juste pour voir si je peux... Sud de la rivière par Stillwater. Est-ce que je vois Stillwater quelque chose? Stillwater Stand. Stillwater. Voilà, ici? Non. Je ne sais pas. Est-ce qu'il y a écrit quelque chose? Non, il n'y a rien écrit. Je sais pas trop, j'ai pas vu où est-ce que c'était Stillwater.
What the hell was that? I thought you might like to see that pantomime.
River Road through Siltwater Strand, he said.
Okay. I think I know a good spot to wait. Follow me. Okay, let's go. This way. Hey! Go! What did I tell you? Simple as can be. Seems a lot of the station workers are in on it these days. Earning a pittance. The unions are whipping them up, so they want something on the side. Like he said, there, Strawberry. Could create a lot of opportunities for a man in your line of work.
I ain't sure about going back to Strawberry after all that market business.
Didn't sound like you left anyone alive to recognize you, so I wouldn't
Et que j'ai payé l'amende. Ne t'inquiète pas. Les $300.
You gentlemen are becoming quite the celebrities, aren't you? Soon you'll be on the front of a dime novel. And dead, of course.
We're hoping to be long gone before that. Dutch has a plan.
Bon, en vrai, il a pas de plan. Hein. Il a jamais de plan. Hein. Je trouve qu'il est un peu impulsif et il agit sur le coup.
should do.
Sure. Here.
I'm hoping we won't need those.
Better safe than sorry. So what were you thinking?
Well, according to this, the loot is located in a strongbox, which is in the back. I'll put on a little performance, and you can scurry around, open the strongbox, and relieve them of their goodies.
And how do I open the strongbox without threatening someone to open it for me?
This should work.
And I can do this silently?
Well, I'm hoping complete silence won't be necessary. But you're going to wish you had your earplugs. This is Damson. Oh, very good, Alden, very good. Of course, if anything goes wrong, you can wave your guns around like you normally do. Hold tight. They'll be here soon.
There it is. Right on time. Let's go. Keep your distance so they don't see you. And please leave that gun in its holster for once.
Time to go, boy.
Je pensais qu'ils allaient arriver ici, ok, d'accord.
Hello. I hope you don't mind my singing.
Not at all.
I'm the best.
There we go.
Did you say a show?
It's a small benefit. Blackwater.
Mrs. Chester Damson.
I flatter. Bloody.
Stop the coach, my good man! Stop the coach!
Arrêtez-les.
Whoa! Miss Damson, why did you stop singing?
The New York audience, they were rather cruel.
New Yorkers are prigs and fools who believe Westerners don't know anything about culture.
I couldn't agree more.
Could you? It's such a small show, but would you sing something for me? I'm looking for a mezzo soprano.
I don't know.
Miss Damson, you owe it to West Elizabeth.
Ti grido lasciar, non lasciar perder.
Sans vous faire repérer. Hein. Mhm. Il semble que ça?
My good man, they're perfectly safe.
Can we go, please? I got a train to catch.
Oh, would you be quiet, you horrible little man?
Madam, I've heard enough. Might I have your card? The event is on the 23rd of this month. I can't say enough. Mrs. Damson, magnifico. So sorry, gentlemen, for the interruption. Farewell.
C'est très bien passé. Bien sûr, tout en finesse.
Well done, sir. Well done.
It was easy. You did all the work.
Teamwork, my dear boy. Teamwork.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, jolly good. Go see Alden from time to time. See you soon, Arthur.
Allez à la roue pour obtenir des informations sur la diligence, transportant une cargaison intéressante. Et du coup, là, c'est écrit le bureau de poste, mais c'est au bureau de poste, mais c'est pas ici, du coup. Parce que là, ils ont dit à Strawberry, mais du coup, je suppose que c'est lui. Et il n'y a pas de... Ouais, il n'y a pas de match-up. Ok, y a pas... le match-up n'a pas été encore écrit. Ah, le Far Wallace. Il faudrait que je me le fasse à un moment, le Far Wallace. On fera peut-être ça la prochaine fois. On commencera peut-être par le Fort Wallace ou par la mission d'Océa. Je sais pas encore. Je ne sais pas encore. En tout cas, là, tout de suite, on va se faire le trajet jusqu'au salon ici. Et on va s'arrêter quand on y sera. Je fais des plus petits épisodes. Mais je pense que c'est pour le mieux. Vu que mes stats doivent être remontés, ça, le salon va me permettre de remonter ses stats. On voit qu'il soit toujours fermé. Il est fermé à cause de la fusillade la dernière fois. Peut-être, hein. Oui. Eh ben, on va prendre... Ça, en fait, ça paraît le truc. On va prendre le train. Et on va faire le trajet à Saint-Denis. Voilà, à Saint-Denis. Je pourrais aller sur le camp aussi. Ah ouais, on va aller au camp plutôt. Non, c'est parce que je... Bon. Allez, viens là. Viens là, petit canasson. Le salon est toujours fermé à cause de la fusillade de la dernière fois. Donc on va aller au camp. C'est plus rapide qu'à Saint-Denis. Yeah, very good. Peut-être qu'on testera aussi une mission de la roue. Parce que là, il nous a indiqué où aller. Parce que là, j'ai vu le chemin. Le chemin, on était ici. Je sais pas du tout où c'est, hein, le truc, le nom qu'il disait là.
Let's go, boy.
J'en profite comme ça le lave, ça le brosse. C'est plus pratique de faire ça que le contraire. Oh, 428 dans le camp. Parfait, c'est bien. Bon, allez, sur ce, on arrive. Arthur. Ah.
That's exactly what I'm afraid of.
Oh, it's a goodie, I'm telling you.
It always is with you. Then we end up heading in a burning barn getting shot at.
You're a sad man, Arthur Morgan. Sad man indeed.
Ah, moi je veux bien son tuyau.
Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Tant pis.
Where did he come from?
I don't know. He just wandered in. Hi, my friend. Hi.
Well, then he's ours, I guess. For now.
Aw. That's so great. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Aw. What should we call him?
Well, he's a wanderer. He probably did something bad.
Je me rappelle plus comment il s'appelait dans le 1. Je crois pas qu'il s'appelait Kane.
Okay. Hey, Kane. Whoa. What did Kane do?
Voilà. On va pas lire tout ça, je vais pas vous faire cet affront. Allez, bon, du coup, vraiment sur ce, du coup, je vous dis, je vais terminer cet épisode et je vous dis à la prochaine. Tac.